Hi, this is Deepika Ramesh. Today I am presenting a technical report for Technology for Social Networking on Salesforce.com Chatter. Let's start with the presentation. Today's agenda: Introduction, Project Execution Method, Project Scope and Solution, Feasibility Analysis, Cost Analysis, System Analysis, Project Schedule and Execution, Project Implementation, Licensing, Dependency and Assumption, Reference. Project Overview. In this report, we propose to use a Salesforce.com Chatter functionality collaboration feature to help to develop an enterprise social network system for my client Cincinnati Financial Services. The Cincinnati Financial Service is one of the reputed financial service provider in US. CFS offers financial services to both marketing and corporate customer, and right now is in need of enterprise social network system to enable their internal workforce to better collaboration and share knowledge to improve their productivity and work towards better revenue generation. The report we are focusing on collaboration features of Salesforce.com Chatter. This report includes a brief overview into Salesforce.com and its Chatter functionality, feasibility analysis, cost-benefit analysis, system analysis, implementation plan, and licensing. Salesforce.com. Salesforce.com is a cloud-based company. Salesforce.com is based out of San Francisco, California. Salesforce.com is primarily a customer relationship management product offering CRM services in three general categories: Sales Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Service Cloud, Community Clouds, and Analytics Cloud. Salesforce.com is built on Force.com platform that is as a service that allows developer to create multi-tenant add-on application that integrates into Salesforce.com application. Salesforce.com Chatter. Salesforce.com Chatter enables effective collaboration, networking, knowledge sharing, and communication within an organization. Once a chatter is enabled within an organization, one can turn on feeds from standard objects and custom objects, thereby allowing user to get real-time updates. Whenever anything changes on any of the objects, user can post to feeds, share files and links. User can even follow updates to the fields using the feed tracker feature. Chatter posts and updates to the feed instantly notify everyone who is following the record. User can mention hashtag other users and topics for everyone following the feeds to get an update. Chatter user can have their own personal feeds where they can update their post and see the updates from the people and record they are following. User can also from own public or private groups. For a more focused collaboration, each group has its own feeds where group members can share data, ask questions, and upload files for collaboration. Project Execution Method. We recommend using waterfall methodology for execution of this project. Project Scope and Solution. Project Scope. The scope of the project is to develop an enterprise social network system for CFS to enable their internal workforce to better collaborate and share knowledge among themselves to improve their productivity and work towards better revenue generation. Functionality requirements. Enables feed tracking on hot deals and customer enquiries. Enable the sales manager to follow up business enquiries. Create a private group for sales representative. Enable notification. Create action layouts. Set up feeds with predefined values. Generate reports and dashboards. Technical solution. The technical solution contains enabling Salesforce.com access to CFS users, who would then be able to access Salesforce.com Chatter using Salesforce.com login. Here is the team structure. We are looking for one manager, one developing lead, testing lead, and two developers and few testers. Here is the requirement table. Here we are analyzing through the feasibility of these requirements, whether they need customization or configuration, and the complexity we are measuring here in terms of time, whether it is low or medium or high. Let's see the requirement one by one. Enable fee tracking on hot deals and customer inquiries. The sales representative at CFS would like to know when a potential customer status or change. The sales manager would like to know when a business inquiry is submitted. This needs a configuration and the complexity is low. Enable the sales manager to follow a business inquiry. Sales manager with CFS would like to follow a business inquiry to gauge the level of interaction. Follow-ups that are happening on particular deal. This needs a configuration and the complexity is high. Create a private group for sales representative to collaborate among themselves on pursuit effort and share information within the group in a secure way. This needs configuration and the complexity is medium. Enable notifications so that users are aware when someone comments on one of their posts or mention them somewhere else in the Salesforce. This needs configurations and the complexity is low. User would want an easy way to create a contacts. This needs configuration and this needs a complexity is medium. Creating action layout needs a configuration and the complexity is high. Set up fields with a predefined value, for example, status, open data, and close by. This needs configuration and the complexity is medium. Generate reports and dashboards. This needs customization and the complexity is high. Based on the above analysis, we concluded that most of the requirements are offered out of the box in Salesforce Chatter and wouldn't require a custom code. The reports and dashboard requirement cannot be met using standard out-of-the-box functionality but can be achieved using custom report and dashboards. Since the most of the requirements are supported by Chatter, we have 100% feasibility or fitment in terms of CFS requirement. Next, we look for cost analysis. From the feasibility study, it is pretty clear that the Salesforce.com Chatter is the right product for developing an enterprise social network system for CFS. While the product is doing well from a feasibility perspective, it is more important to ensure that it performs well on cost-benefit index as well. The higher feasibility product need not to be an optimal product in terms of cost versus benefit. Though the cost benefit analysis is performed on an yearly basis, here we considering it for month wise because the time required to implement this solution would be less than a year, 6 months to be precise. The project team consists of project manager, a develop lead and a test lead, 2 developers and a tester. And the cost incurred out of these resources will be resource cost for the entire duration. The project manager has billing rate of $100 per hour and each resource works for 40 hours per week. The develop lead and test lead are experienced resource and have a same billing rate as that of the PM. The develop lead is responsible for requirement gathering, designing and solution and thus involved right from the project kickoff. On the other hand, the test lead is needed to document test script based on the gathered requirement and is thus onboarded during a last 2 weeks of the month 1. In order to implement Salesforce.com Chatter, one would need to procure Salesforce.com license for all users. Salesforce.com offers 2 types of license. One is Enterprise Edition and one is Ultimate Edition. We have considering the Enterprise Edition pricing for this project. We have an estimate of 100 users license which would be account for our total license cost. The license cost include fee for initial software license, hardware, interface designing, data conversion, user license and packages, software maintenance, custom software maintenance and customer support. There is a need to train the user and how to use the Chatter, thus the account for training cost. We recommend 2 in-house training sessions for user, one at the end of the month 3 and the other at the end of the month 6. Recurring cost, resource cost, non-recurring cost, license cost and training cost. Cost estimation table. In this table we have mentioned the components and cost. For each and every month we have precisely described what are the expenditure we should be having on this particular month. Tangible and intangible benefits. Now that we have identified the costs to be incurred out of this implementation, we need to look at the benefits that has been generated. There are a number of tangible benefits that can be drawn out of the charter implementation. However, the benefit listed below are based on our previous experience from the other charter implementation and our discussion with CFS business. Increase in employee productivity. Usage of charter in the past has resulted in increased employee productivity. Increase in sales productivity. The sales representation will no longer have to spend time in the following up internally about particular information. Increase visibility to top management. The top management will be able to better monitor progress of teams using reports and dashboards. Response time. Charter improves response time as every time a person is tagged on Charter, Salesforce.com sends an email alert to the particular user that he or she attention is needed on the particular post, thus reducing the wait time. Other intangible benefits that Charter offers include improved customer satisfaction and improved return of investment. Here is this list of tangible benefit and total cost and the difference. Thus, we can conclude from the cost-benefit analysis the Salesforce Charter implementation would yield a benefit of $381,300 over a period of 6 months. Let's see system analysis. Based on the high-level requirement listed earlier, we have performed a detailed system analysis around each requirement and came up with below high-level architecture diagram. This is the Force.com architecture diagram. The end user and developer both uses internet to access the Salesforce.com application, which is hosted on the cloud. The application server and stored data together constitute the Force.com platform. When a developer writes and saves Apex code to the platform server first compiles the code into the abstract set of instructions that can be assumed by the Apex runtime interpreter and then save those instructions as a metadata. As a next step, we drilled down into the solution components of a Salesforce.com and came up with below solution stack and highlight the components that are being used as a part of current enterprise social network implementation at CFS. Charter and Report are classified under the Sales and Marketing Cloud respectively and offered out of box within the Salesforce.com. These are the Force.com Charter features. Here is the marketing feature, social comparing research, social comparing extension, social comparing sharing. These are the listed service features of Charter. Social monitoring, social service console, prioritized social queue. These are some of the sales features of Charter. Social monitoring, social lead generation, social lead enrichment for social networks. Unlike other implementation, there is no need for any third-party integration as everything in this house within Salesforce.com. Design consideration. Since Salesforce.com supports all our requirement out of box, we do not foresee any design consideration. Future constituencies. Should there be a need to extend the Charter functionality to send information to legacy system, then there would be a need to establish an integration with third-party application. In such a situation, we recommend to rerun the exercises and establish rework design plan based on the new set of requirement. System hardware requirement. Salesforce.com is a cloud-based application, which means all you would need to run the application is computer device with internet connection. System software requirement. Salesforce.com Salesforce.com solution is a cloud-based application, therefore operating system is osteogenic. All that is needed is an internet connection and supported browser. Firefox, Chrome, Safari, Internet Explorer, these are the few browsers are compatible with Salesforce Chatter. No additional on-premises software is necessary. Internal communication architecture. Below is the internal communication that will occur among different components of Salesforce.com. As per the scope of our implementation, we all look at the component on the top and dotted line where essential CRM components. Box in purple are CRM module that makes use Chatter functionality. Project schedule and execution. Project execution methodology. We recommend using the waterfall methodology for implementation of Salesforce.com Chatter at CFS. The phase includes requirement gathering, building and testing, and UAT. For detail around each of these phases and how they span across the project schedule, please refer to the below section. Project schedule. Since the requirements are fairly detailed, we propose the following the waterfall methodology in implementing the Salesforce.com Chatter at CFS. We propose a 3-phase release schedule for FY16 with release in the month of March, April and June. We recommend to have a month-long requirement gathering session which would also include design discussion and high-level solution option. During these sessions, the develop lead and test lead will have a discussion with key business stakeholder to finalize on the requirement and come up with the high-level design solution. Following the requirement session will build and test phase. The training phase T and overlap with test phase and happen during the last week of this session. We recommend an existing test time under R3 in order to account for regression and end-to-end testing. This is the diagram of a project schedule. This is how our project schedule look like. Licensing. Salesforce.com offers two types of license, Enterprise Edition and Unlimited Edition. Based on the complexity of the project, we recommend CFS to go with Enterprise Edition pricing for this project. However, if CFS has future plan to extend the usage to the other business units, CFS can always upgrade to the Unlimited Edition. Project implementation. Implementation plan. Since the requirements are fairly detailed, we propose following the waterfall methodology in implementing the Salesforce.com Chatter at CFS. We propose a 3-phased release schedule for FY16 with release in the month of March, April and June. Scope. In order to give CFS a better feel of the end of the product, we have come up with few custom-made Chatter screenshots from one of our training organization. The screenshots are custom-made to better suit your business needs, and we hope that they will act as a first-hand experience in giving you a better feel of what the end product would look like. Some of the implementation which we have done using Chatter. Let's see the screenshot which will give a clear idea of what we can do using Chatter. Enable feed tracking. Chatter can track fields changes from most of the records, including custom object, and automatically push that information to the records feed. Here we modify the description and facts field. As you can see from the snapshot below, the changes are displayed as feed on the contact record. Follow a record. From the above screenshot, you can see a green button which says follow, and upon clicking the button, one can follow that record. Once you click on the button, it turns to the following with a blue check mark as shown in the below screenshot. Let's see here. Now changes to this contact record will show up our contact in Chatter page. Create a private group. This will explain us how to create a private page using. Let's see. Now changes to this contact record will show up on our Chatter page. How can we create a private group using Chatter? Here is some of the example for it. Group are a great way for user to share information and files and ask question. Instead of sending out a mass email, group members can post a question on the group's page. When a question is answered, it's answered for all the group members. Quick contact creation. There is a way to create a quick contact using Chatter application. A user can create contacts with an account using the contact hover link rather than navigating back to the contacts tab. These are the report which we can generate using Chatter, and this is the picture of the customer satisfaction dashboard. Here we can estimate all the satisfaction in a graphical way so that it gives a clear idea whether our customer are really happy with the feedbacks. Everything we can measure using dashboards. This is the report we have generated using Salesforce Chatter. Dependency and assumption. As a part of Chatter implementation for CFS, we have come up with a list of assumption and dependency that we would like to put forth to CFS. Assumption. Feed mapping will be set based on the mapping document provided by the business. CFS will come up with a list of reports and dashboards to generate along with the validation rules. Business SME availability will be confirmed against the schedule of the activities. Dependency. Training of sales representative and related effort will be out of the scope of the effort for Game Changer. CFS will provide the detail around reference of the field, list of the documents and report. CFS will provide the guidance in regards to expect close dates and logic. Some of the assumption and dependency I have discussed in detail in my report. Please refer to my report. These are the reference which I have referred to develop this report. Thank you all. This was a nice semester and it was nice working with all of you. Thank you. Thank you once again.